George, I think I'm going to fix you a cup of coffee. I think I'm going to fix you a cup of coffee, little boy. You're such a pretty guy. Cold outside today. Going to only be 67 this afternoon. It's not that right now. It's cold outside. I bet it's 50, 55 degrees out there now. Too cold for us. Look at how pretty he is. Oh, who is this over here? Who is this? Oh, hi. Hi. It's cold for you too, honey. Yeah, it's getting too cold for you too, isn't it? You pretty girl. Yes, you are. Go see about George over there. Go see about George. He's just a pretty boy. He's just getting some snuggles. And BB's off in bed sleeping. She doesn't even want to be out of that bed today.